Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. This is a simple process that helps you organize and access your pictures more easily. First, open Google Drive and make sure your photos are stored there. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to create a separate folder for the photos you want to upload. You can do this by clicking New and then selecting New Folder. I've created a folder here called Photos for Tutorial, and inside this folder, I've got all of the photos that I'm going to add to Google Photos. So, next, open Google Photos in your browser. Make sure you are signed in to the same Google account you used for Google Drive. Once you are inside Google Photos, click on the plus or Upload button and choose Google Drive. You will then see your recent files and folders from Google Drive. Go to My Drive and locate the folder containing your photos. Open the folder and select all the photos you want to upload. You can use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-A to select everything or hold the Shift key to select multiple photos manually. After selecting your photos, click Upload. Google Photos will begin importing the images into your library. One important thing to remember is that Google Photos organizes pictures based on their original date and metadata. So if the photos were taken a long time ago, they may appear further back in your Google Photos timeline. That's it. Now you know how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.